Jim Hill here with JourneyTEAM. Are you or your report developers brand new to Power BI? Or have you started developing Power BI reports, but you're just not sure if you're doing it in the best way possible? If this sounds familiar, JourneyTEAM has a program for you. It's called the Power BI Sherpa program, and it was developed to help companies like yours that are just starting out with Power BI to come up to speed quickly and apply it in the best way possible. Let me explain how the program works. The Power BI Sherpa program was designed to help companies that were new to Power BI come up to speed very quickly. Essentially, we're looking at a way to help companies apply best practices and guide their employees through a process that will help them achieve their Power BI objectives. What is the Sherpa project? 4 main areas: discovery and setup, group training, coaching sessions, and best practices assessment. In the discovery and environment setup phase, your team will work with a Power BI Sherpa to assess business objectives and reporting needs, understand your data sourcing and current environment, understand where your team members are, where their skill and knowledge is at, and what your security requirements are. Then we'll also discuss credentials, licensing, data gateways, and workspaces. During group training, you'll meet with 1 or more companies to receive basic training. This lasts over five weeks. The first 2-hour class is Power BI desktop usage and service overview. And we'll focus on data set development and data modeling. And the 3rd class will focus on Power Query basics and how to build data flows. The 4th class is the one class that runs 4 hours, and this class will cover Power BI DAX basics, how to build measures, use functions, understanding filter context, and how to use time intelligence. And the last course really helps you build reports that are easy to understand and will bring about actionable insights. Prior to the group training, we encourage you to go through Dashboard in a Day or a Power BI Basics class that JourneyTEAM offers online. The coaching hours are time set aside to work specifically with a member of the team to understand what they're trying to do with Power BI and help coach them in how to apply best practices. This is super valuable, but it depends on the people being engaged. The very last thing is we'll go through a checklist to show how to use best practices and what are those best practices. We'll also discuss how that may apply to you so that you can apply some of these best practices as you move forward. That's how the program is set up. It lasts 10 weeks. First week is the discovery section. The group training sessions are weeks 2 through 6, 1 training course per week, done virtually. And then weeks 5 through 9 is when we'll schedule those coaching sessions to take place. Then finally in week 10, we'll go over the best practices checklist. It's very important that you understand this is not a complete implementation of a report project. It's really working with you and your team to come up to speed. It also requires dedicated, engaged company employees to achieve success. We don't want them to just sit in and watch the training sessions. We want them to get their hands dirty, to try and do things themselves, and then use those coaching sessions to refine their skills and overcome obstacles. So the overall price for this Sherpa project is $13,800. And will include up to 6 of your employees going through those group training sessions. I hope that this has helped you understand the Power BI Sherpa project and how it might apply to you. For more information, I encourage you to go to JourneyTEAM.com, click on the contacts link, and provide a little bit of information, and a representative of JourneyTEAM will contact you. We hope we can help you in your journey to achieve success in Power BI. Look forward to working with you.